In this video, we'll explore the e-file section of the Multi-Office Manager and show you what you can do within it. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the e-file icon. Go ahead and click on that to access the e-file dashboard. In this section, you'll be able to monitor the status of all returns, whether they've been filed, are in process of being filed, or have just been started. For this example, we're looking at the year 2023, but this will automatically update as time progresses. If you have access to prior years, you'll find the tabs for each available year in the top right corner, going back as far as 2014. The process remains the same regardless of the year, so you won't see any differences between navigating returns from 2014 to 2023. Now looking towards the left side of the screen, you'll see the top row where you can choose between viewing returns, extensions, bank applications, or refund transfers. For this example, we'll keep it set to returns. Next, we have the location filter. This allows you to either view returns from all locations or narrow it down by selecting a specific location using the drop-down menu. For this demonstration, we'll keep it on all locations. Let's skip the second row for now and move to the search options. Here, you can search for returns using a name, social security number, or return creation date. The most common search methods are by name or social security number. For this example, I'll search using a sample social, keeping the search option set to like. Once entered, click Go to pull up the specific return. You'll now see the client's details, including the location, taxpayer name, social, creation date, and return status. The colors associated with the federal and state return statuses will match the colors on the second row, helping you to easily identify the return's progress. Now let's take a look at the show options in the second row. These buttons allow you to filter returns by their statuses, such as ready to transmit, queued, accepted, rejected, transmitted, and more. By default, it's set to show all, but you can click on any button to view only returns matching that particular status. For instance, if we click rejected, it will display a list of all rejected returns. Similarly, clicking Show All will display every return, regardless of its status. As your location starts processing returns, this list will grow, and the search feature will come in handy. You may not want to view all returns at once, but rather filter them by specific statuses for easier management. Now let's talk about the edit icon on the far right. If you click on it, you'll be taken to a detailed view of the return, similar to what a tax preparer would see. Here you can access all the information related to the return, including the name, social, address, income summary, and more. You can also see the return's current status, whether it's been accepted or rejected, and any amendments in progress. Additionally, you'll be able to view payment and transmission details, print forms, and edit the return if needed. Once you've gathered all the information or made any necessary changes, you can either click the back arrow at the top or click the e-file icon again to return to the previous screen. From there, you can search for another return or continue working on others. And that's how you navigate the e-file section of the Multi-Office Manager.